Hello friend, welcome back. So let me explain what happened so far, okay? And to make our discussion, yeah, is programming is so much fun and sometimes it's also confusing. So we need to make sure we understand exactly what is what and yeah, who is who and what happened. So in the previous video, right, the last one, um, okay, so what we did is we launch the Mac OS app first, then we click this button advertise, right, to send out the multi-peer activity advertisement, so all the nearby peers, right, can detect that. So then on this iPad simulator, we click this invite button, try to detect the advertiser, then invite the advertiser. Okay, so you see, after we can see the MacBook 2020 of this, right, this Mac app. So when we select that, after a while we got declined. Okay, so because we don't have the code there yet, we'll add it shortly. But before that, let me summarize what happened here. And advertiser, okay, so now let's move in here to here and delete all of them. Yeah, I'll draw a computer here. No, let me use what color? Do I have a gray color? Let me use this guy for my Mac computer. And on the right hand side I'll draw a is this black? Yes. Okay, an iPad. Okay, iPad, not too bad, right? There's a button here. Okay, so this is iPad. Now this is the advertiser, here, and delete that. We can say this is the responder of the advertiser. Yeah, keep it consistent. Inviter. Why it's called inviter? Because it will trigger the invitation. Okay, so now let's draw the communication steps. So this guy send out the advertisement. Okay, MC advertisement. This is step one. Of course, it doesn't just send out to one device, right? Whoever detect that advertisement can trigger the invitation. Inviter. Okay, now step two. So this guy, right? This guy finds the advertiser here. So now you can send the invitation. This is step 2, right? Send the invitation to the advertiser. Now the advertiser needs to do something here. What is the something? Now let's go back to the this is, yeah, my Mac. Okay, here you see, to be a MC nearby service advertiser delegate, you need to respond, right? You need to respond to this function, this message. Did receive invitation from peer, right? It means now the advertiser, right, did receive this number 2. That's the invitation from the peer. So the function looks so advanced, but the code here is simple. Just you call this back, okay? Call this with the 2 parameters here, boolean and the session. Okay, the boolean we use true, and the session, do we have a session here? Not yet, right? Let's create it. Session. Yeah, the session is our communication channel. So MC session exclamation mark. So like here, we did the similar thing on the iOS app. Now MC session, same thing, peer ID. The pattern is so strong, so we don't need that. Encryption preference we use required. Okay, so we have the session object, so we can use it here. That's the session shared by the both ends of the communication. Now let's see, let's try it again. So stop it, and now go to this guy, right? We'll stop this guy. Stop. Yeah. Now let's run it in order. Make it a little bit smaller, like that. And what about this one? Yeah. So we'll launch this first, right? By clicking this one, we'll send out the broadcast, the green line. Okay. Now let's go to the iPad simulator. It's here, and launch it. So we'll click the invite button. Okay, so you will bring up a browser, right? MC browser, to check is there any MC broadcasting advertisement. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, we can find this, right? We can see the MacBook, the advertiser on the list. Now let's select that. Select that means we'll send out the invitation. Okay, let's see what happened this time. Last time, after a few seconds, we see decline there. This time, connecting, connected, right? That's a big difference. That that's from this code. This code is handled, is accepted, right? So connected. So after this point, we can send message to each other. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. See you next time.